Hey, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about my kale shakes. They're called instant kale shakes, and the uniqueness of these kale shakes are they are a meal replacement, but they don't have any sugar. It's flavored with a little tiny bit of stevia in xylitol from birch bark. So it's a really good sweetener, and they come flavored. So it's a delicious way to get your kale if you don't want to make your kale shakes. Two of the products, one is the chocolate, which is the most popular, and the caramel, are made with pea protein. So they have a high quality vegetarian protein powder in addition to the kale. The other flavor called the berry, wild berry, does not have the protein, but it has the kale. So a lot of times people get all three and they might take them as a different substitutes, especially if they're craving certain things, because this is like a milkshake right here. And it really depends on if you like caramel or berry or chocolate. But if you're looking to enhance your weight loss program and you want something healthy without all the chemicals, these are the ones to consume. The other thing I want to mention is that I chose not to add some of those preservatives that make it dissolve very well because of some of the additive things I don't want in here. So when you mix this, you might have to shake it just a little bit more to dissolve it because there's little types of clumps in there. That's not a bad thing. It's just that I didn't put the chemicals in there to make it so smooth. You know, like some of these shakes, you just mix it up and it looks so smooth. The reason why that is because they add certain chemicals in there. So I didn't want to put those in there to make this as healthy as possible. So instant kale shakes.